Hi, this is Hanna Podbielski, and this is my FMS deep squat analysis. So as I'm starting to look at my squat, I'm coming downwards, and the first one that I do, there's a definite list as we see right there. It's to my left side. So as we're looking here, my knee is turned outward slightly, and if we're looking at the dowel, it is lower on my left side, so that means I'm listing. But as my video goes on, as I do another squat, that list is slightly fixed. It definitely looks a lot better here. My knee is not turned out so much, and my dowel is more straight on this side. And then looking at the last squat, as I come down, that one looked a little more straight. I might be compensating a little bit on my right side because I knew that I was listing, so I might be leaning a little bit more to my right, as seen by my right knee here and by how the dowel is positioned. Overall, though, looking at this, my upper torso is parallel with my tibia, or is towards vertical. So as we see here, looking at these areas, that criteria is checked off. Now we're going to look at my femur, and my femur should be below horizontal. So as we can see from this angle, although it's not the most obvious, we can definitely see if I draw a line from the middle of my body outwards, my knee is past vertical. It's past horizontal. My femur is below horizontal. And then while we're looking at my knees are pretty much aligned over my feet. As we're drawing a line down here, this knee is fairly directly over my foot. This one as well is mostly over my foot, although there's a slight turn outwards. And then looking at the dowel, this is also aligned over my feet. So bringing it downwards, it's directly over my feet as we see here, which means that I have satisfied that criteria. And automatically my squat is going to be less than a 3, because as we're looking at what I'm doing, my heels are elevated, and that is because I could not do the squat correctly without it. So that all being said, I would give my squat a score of 2.